Hello everybody, I hope you're fine. So today we will introduce the concept of meditation. What means meditation? So we spoke before, about the person, what is a person, the different composites that are the basis of a person. We spoke last week about the mind, the consciousness. So this is the mind that will meditate. So what is the point? What is the use of meditation? Some people sometimes think meditation, we hear this like meditation means you think about nothing. Meditation means you just sit quietly. You have to do nothing, just think about nothing, just emptying your mind. Actually, in Buddhist philosophy, this is not the meaning of meditation. What means meditation in Buddhist philosophy? Actually, this is a third part of a three parts process. We need this process. Meditation goes in the last part. So first, you need to study by learning. First step is learning. Second step is thinking, analyzing. And third step is meditation. Because meditation, the meaning of meditation in Buddhist philosophy is habituating your mind. So what you need to habituate to is what you understood through thinking. And what you thought about is what you learned in the first step. So that's why we say first step is learning, like hearing teachings, reading, informing yourself, trying to understand. After that, you think about that. As Buddha said, you don't believe my words through respect or faith, blind faith. You should analyze my words as you would with gold by cutting, rubbing, and polishing it, like burning it even, to be sure it's good quality. So same thing, these things that you learn, that you think about, you really analyze. So after that, when you're really sure of what you need to accomplish, so you can meditate, habituate the mind. So this habituation, this meditation, so there's two categories. All Buddha's teachings are for meditation because we need to apply them to our mind to find happiness. So they all fall into two categories. All the teachings, they are aimed for one type of meditation we call concentration meditation. Because the first part of the meditation is trying to calm the mind. Mind is, overcome with many thoughts. So our mind is, sometimes we call the monkey mind, agitation. Mind is all going in every direction, thinking about the past, future. We just try to sit a few minutes and you will know what I mean. Mind is planning, thinking, all these things. So this kind of mind is not pacified. First, we need to find inner peace, what we call calm abiding, the translation of shamatha in Sanskrit or shine in Tibetan language. Shine means peacefully abiding, calmly abiding. That's what we call calm abiding, mind abiding peacefully. So this is the first step in meditation, concentration meditation for calming the mind. But just calming, is just temporary thing. For example, when the wind has calmed down, yeah, it's good, but after, wind can come back. So the same way, calming the mind is just a temporary state. We just begin by this process. But second part is the analytic meditation. So you use your reasoning to transform the mind and develop wisdom and special insight, which we call vipassana, translated in English like special insight or superior insight. It means, we transform the mind from wrong thinking to correct thinking. Because our mind is often confused. I just give you an example. We suffer because of this wrong thinking. Example, we have, some people we love so much, our body, our material things, we'll enjoy them. So we kind of grasp to them. We wish these things, these persons, our life, could last forever. So we grasp to their permanence, you know? We wish they would be permanent. So mind is like conceiving permanence of these things. So actually, the real situation is that none of these things are permanent. We are not permanent, these people, this material. So that's why we need to rethink, you know, like try to analyze correctly things and see that it's all impermanent. So by reasoning in different ways and slowly understanding impermanence, accepting that also, so mind will easily let go. It will accept change because we know these things are impermanent. So we need to process this, you know, it's not easy, you know. So these things, they all fall into the categories of analytical meditation, trying to transform all our ignorance, wrong thinking, that don't accord to reality, to correct understanding of reality. Because Buddha said, all our problems come from ignorance. All sufferings come from ignorance. Example, negative emotions like anger, they all come from wrong thinking. Even His Holiness Dalai-Lama mentions when he meets psychotherapists, they say also, people that are really afflicted in their mind, it's because they have wrong thinking. They just imagine things that are not there. So that's why we should mostly use our brain, our mind, to think correctly about reality. This is analytical meditation. So I will explain them more in details, but just today a short introduction about meditation. Concentration meditation is for getting peace of mind, what we call calm abiding. Analytical meditation is for developing special insight, wisdom, to overcome all the problems in our mind at the root. So that's the meaning of meditation in Buddhist philosophy. Thank you so much, everybody. Chanchu semcho rinpoche ma kemba nam ke gyonje kemba nyamba memba ya kone kontum pewa sho. Thank you for coming and see you next time.